Hello YouTube, say with a 52-inch Hunter Mayfair with 5 lights. I can't remember the model. I think it's a coastal breeze. It might be summer breeze. I'm not sure. You can know me, I'm stupid. Because this 5 light here don't match exactly. But I really don't like it. It got LEDs and a shit file, big bulb in the middle, which I really like. In this particular fan, the buds are saggy. That's because the buds are tight. But like right here, they forgot washers or something. They just way back in ribbons to put it on the bud bracket. Have like a hunch in it does. And the light is a do it. I had to place the portrait because it was broken. My God. I got this. This is the first side. I got this for free off of Facebook Marketplace on Thursday. So it's free, so I definitely got it. And there's all of it. We'll start this summer, bitch, summer. It came 100% free. It's pretty fucking amazing for a free fan. It's got a good wall speed to it. It's not really super fast rolls. Ce soir, you mean what? Oh. Serious women's electrical issues. That's weird as hell. That noise. Sorry. There were electrical issues. Sometimes it's so, sorry guys. See, we have electrical problems. It was super bad when no, that one don't fuck as bad. Okay, now it's stopped. Let's do it again. Let's look at the way off. Not stop that noise. It's not terrible. Those cameras buzz. Sorry guys, this ain't the best cause let's make him. It makes that craftsman make more. I don't know what. Is the craftsman what? It's medium. No, go high. Oh, god damn it. I don't know what to make him move it. That's it. That's how I vibrate like a bitch. Oh, whoa. Again, sorry for the flickering issue. Help me go away. It used to go away. Now, of course, on video. There we go. That's high. Oh, good there. Turn the light off, which shouldn't do that because you're just gonna store issues. So, hopefully in a minute will stop it. Oh, it's really bad now. There we go. She's too much cotton drop, but my fingers is on. Well, the fan's on most vivid dudes. Then, oh, it's on. Wonder if it's the best. It's gonna fuck out line maybe. No, I don't think it's that. I don't know. Sean, my dog, is with all this stuff on. See? My time to customer is right on there. It's still fucking. It's a little toasty outside today. But we'll uncrack for a minute. Good one, not. Need to clean this room up. One over here, I'm gonna turn on my electronics. Just the fucking issues problem. Right. God damn it. See, it's starting to get bad again. It wasn't the... Stop, look, fuck you stupid cunt. Shit's starting to piss me off. Like, it quit for a while, now it's fucking doing it again. Oh, it's cool, okay. You're starting to get pissed now. There we go. See, we got electrical problems in this fucking room. Well, they go fucking stop all doing this fucking off-ass video thanks to fucking wiring in this fucking room. Fucking piece of shit. Blame my dad's retarded ass who put the whole room on the same goddamn fucking circuit. But I hope you're enjoying. Give him a thumb, right?